Hi, my pre-starter students. This is Miss Bakasang from GSE Academy. Well, we cannot see each other for upcoming week, so what I have prepared is that we want to go over all the books and all the contents before we take a test. So let's try to take a look at the first one in here, guys. The first book that we studied was I Am Glad to Say. Do you guys remember? Now, let's see the GSE book over here. And if you take a look at the GSE book, when you study at home, how do you have to say it? Yes, you have to say it for 3 times. So, if I were you, I would say the, fell, fell, to, sad, say, had, new, glad, and was. So when you guys are trying to read us sight words, please clap 3 times and say 3 times. Now, let's take a look at the story words. Well, these story words are kind of hard to say, so this is what I'm going to do. I have a word over here, engine. And Miss Bakasang is going to break it down, engine. That's how I'm going to read it. There is fell and new. And there is a parachute, broken, haystack, pitchfork, duck pond, glad, and say. So for these words, please write it down in your notebook 1 time or more than that to understanding the spelling of the words. Now, let's see the next one. Do you guys remember this one? That's right. The first one is going to be I am glad to say. So you have to act it out and say it. Next one. I am sad to say. Next one. I am excited to say. The fourth one is I am bored. Now, fifth one. I am worried. And then the next one is I am angry. I know that you guys like to say I am angry, but let's try to be happy in here. And we have a new page that we do not see in our GSE book, but I wanted to point out this page over here and talk about it. Well, this page is talking us about how to make the sentence. The first one. Can anybody read it? Can anybody read it? Here. How can you say? Yes, it is I went up flying. I went up flying. That was a sentence. Next one is going to be, yes, the title of the book, I am glad to say. Oh, this is kind of weird. I am glad to say. Yes, say. This is a gesture for say. Now, next one is going to be, I had a new parachute. That was a sentence. So when you see the page like this, try to make it into the sentence and say it aloud. And now let's see our theme part. The theme part is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you guys remember the activity that we did in class? Yes. Well, this one is talking about the numbers, and we haven't seen this one in the book yet, but this one is talking about the numbers starting from number 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 100. Now, here is a question from Miss Bakasang. How old does Miss Bakasang look like? 12? Oh, no, not 12, yes. 21, that's right. 21. Now, if you want to say that someone is 31, you can say 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, and 101. Like this, you can put the numbers 1 through 9 after these numbers. Now, let's try to talk about the sentences. Now, we know the song, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes, you do remember this song, right? So we are asking you the month of the year. What's the first month of the year? Yes, it is January. And this page is talking about the date of the month. So try to sing along and dance along and say it aloud. Now, let's see the next page, everybody. Well, this is going to be the homework for you guys until next Monday. Well, what you're going to do is that you have to read the words hot, cold, warm, cool, sunny. Well, these words, you can take a look and get your crayon or a pencil and try to draw in the box. After you draw in the box, you're going to read the sentences and circle the word. If you finish it, Mom, can you take a picture of this? Yes, your mom can do, or your dad can do. Take a picture and send it to Miss Bacoson. Then Miss Bacoson will see and say, you have done a great job. Well then, I will talk about more contents on next time. Until then, try to sing January, February 102. Say the numbers and also try to do the page on here. Well then, I guess I have to say goodbye. Guys, bye-bye.